You've just opened the Sales Quotes dashboard. Like most dashboards, this one features a criteria bar at the top. It's designed to help you filter the data using a set of select dimensions, such as branch, time, invoice status, salespersons, and invoice numbers. Let's start with the branch dropdown. Here you can select any branch from the list, say Jacksonville. Once selected, the dashboard updates automatically, applying what we call global filters that affect all data elements on the page. Want to switch branches? Just open the dropdown again. Now you're viewing data for Coral Springs. To clear the filter entirely, open the dropdown once more and select No Selection. The same filtering logic applies to other dimensions. Take invoice status. You might want to focus on invoices that are pending approval. Just select that option and the dashboard will update accordingly. In the Salespersons filter, you can choose a single person or select multiple salespeople. Once you've made your selections, click the Apply button. Now you're looking at combined data from all selected individuals. Moving on to invoice numbers. This dimension can contain a very long list of invoices, so instead of scrolling, you can simply click into the search field. Here you can type part of a name or an invoice number, press Return, and matching results will appear. From there, just pick the one you're looking for, and the dashboard will show the related transactions. Next, let's look at a time dimension, in this dashboard exemplified by the journal period dimension. Time filters often include dynamic options. Right now, the dashboard is filtered by year to date. Since today's date is April 10th, 2025, this filter includes data from January 1st to April 10th. You can choose other options, like previous month. In this case, that would show data from March 2025. Now, for better clarity in the column chart, you can expand the time hierarchy. Just click the Expand Level button to switch from Month View to Date View. Try selecting previous 12 months. Now would be a good time to use the Collapse Level button to return to the month view. With this filter, your data now spans from March 2025 to April 2024. All dynamic filters adjust relative to today's date. But what if you want to simulate a different today? Just use the date picker to select an alternate date. For example, if you set March 1st, 2025 as today, then previous 12 months will now show data from February 2025 to March 2024. In addition to dynamic options, you can also use static filters. If you have a specific period in mind, like Quarter 3 and Quarter 4 of 2024, you can select them directly from the list. And that's how you use the criteria bar to explore and filter your dashboard. In the next lesson, we'll look at drill-down filters, another powerful way to explore your data.